ना बर्थडे दिन केले बेडम लास्ट फ्राइडे फ्राइडे ಬರದಾ ಹೌದಾ ಕೇಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ನನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನಮ್ ದೊಡ್ಡಕ್ಕ ನೀವೇ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು
Shall we begin the class?
Sir, do we start?
Hello, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir, you can start.
Good evening, dear students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್
Hi, good evening. Good evening. So we will continue with
evening.
the yesterday's class. Yesterday we are discussing on the rotation of axis and we learned the theorem. We learned that when the axes are rotated with an angle theta in an anti-clockwise direction, then the coordinates will get transformed. X comma y will be of the form x is equal to, what will be its one? X is equal to x
X
cos
cos theta
theta plus
minus y
y
sin theta.
theta, and y is equal to
X
y
Y
sin theta
X
plus
sin theta
y
by
cos.
cos theta.
plus y cos theta. So look at this one. I can write these two equations in a matrix form. You already learned matrices, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have learned matrices and solving the equations in matrix. I will learn that one. Solving the equations in matrix method or other rule and so on. So let us say now let us 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 and 2x plus y is equal to 6. How do you write this one in matrix form? We write first x coordinates, then y coordinate of first equation. Second equation is x coordinate and second equation is y coordinate, the y component with what is the variable x and y,
X
and
and
that
y,
is
sir.
how much? That is equal to 12 and 6. That is, we can write the entire equation in this form, the matrix form. Do you understand this one? How
Yes, sir.
how we are expressing the equation in the matrix form? So now we are using the same concept of expressing the equation in matrix form. So I'll express this equation in the matrix form. So I'll write this x and y towards my left hand side. See. Okay, whether you write right hand side or left hand side is same only. But since I explained you, I'm going to write it. So first we write the coordinate. Coordinate of x is what? Cos theta. Coordinate of x is cos theta. Coordinate of y is minus sin theta. Here with x what is there? Sin theta is there. Here it is
Y
cos
cos
theta.
theta.
Only cos theta. Y is a variable. So here my x and y are variable. Capital X, capital Y is equal to small x
Small.
and y. So the equations or the new coordinates can also be expressed in the matrix form, where my matrix form it will be of this form. If I want to write it the other way, this will be x y to cos theta minus sin theta sin and cos theta.
Sir, your
Hello.
voice not clear, sir.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Your voice was breaking, sir. It's breaking now, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Is it audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
it's audible, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So now this will be my variable x and y. So the transformed coordinates of x and y also can be represented like this in the matrix form. So using this matrix form, we can easily make a tabular column to find the set of x and y. We can get set 1 and set 2. That is, I'll let you know what is this set 1 and set 2. Let us say my what is in the left hand side, my equal is there. That I take it as x and y. This is the matrix of this one. My matrix is this one. So instead of taking this x comma y, this I'll take it on top. So for x, I want to multiply. This is like product matrix multiplication. First row, second row, and first column. So the same thing I'm doing. X into cos theta. Sorry. X into cos theta plus
Minus sign.
into y.
Sign.
Next, you go to second row. X into sin theta. Just a minute.
Cos theta.
Plus y into cos theta.
Theta.
So using the matrix, now using the concept of matrix, I have written a table. This table will help us to write the equation. So using the matrix method, I wrote my transformation table. This is the transformation table when I rotate the axis with an angle theta in anti-clockwise direction. That is in this way. Transformation table with the help of matrix, I am writing this one is of this form. Now let us say I am rotating my axis in anti-clockwise, means in clockwise direction. Instead of anti-clockwise direction, I'm rotating my axis in clockwise direction. Then what happens? My theta will become what? How much? What will it become to my theta? My theta will become
Minus theta.
theta will become minus theta. Therefore, the table will change. Table will change x and y. This is capital X, capital Y. So cos of minus theta will become plus cos theta. No change will be there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus of sin minus theta. Minus of sin minus theta will become plus sin theta. That is minus of sin of minus theta. That is minus is already there. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Minus minus get cancelled. So what is left is plus sin theta. Now sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. And cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. So transformation of table when my axis are rotated with an angle theta in clockwise direction is this one. Therefore, then my x and y will become as x is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, and my y will become minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Did you understand this clearly, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we
So
go to
why
next.
cos is not changing with sign, sir?
Pardon?
Cos, why cos is not changing with sign?
What is cos of minus theta? What is cos of minus theta?
Cos theta.
Theta.
Cos
Your voice is breaking, sir.
huh?
Your voice is breaking, sir. It is not correctly audible.
Cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta.
Yes, sir.
So only cos theta will not get changed there. Basic trigonometry. First theorem. We know the general equation of any curve. Any curve, let it be a straight line or a circle or hyperbola or a parabola or a ellipse, anything. The general equation, what is the general equation? Hello?
2x.
Huh? Ax square, 2x square, root of 2x square there. Ax square plus
Plus y
by
square
square plus
Yes, sir.
plus
2x1
2y plus
2g square
2x plus 2fy
plus 2y plus
is equal to 0.
So this is my equation. So now already I told in the introduction class to the transformation of axis in the introduction, not in the introduction class. I think in the first 2-3 classes I told you we use transformation of axis to simplify the equation. Yes or no? And we told we simplify the equation by removing unwanted things. So in the translation of axis, we are removing what? We are removing V and X
X and Y.
in
X and Y.
axis.
First
sir.
order form.
The first order terms X and Y. Whereas in rotation of axis, I told in the beginning itself, we'll remove the second order single variable term, that is X and XY. For rotation of
XY,
axis, I have to remove this one. So that I'll be doing with the help of whatever we learned now. So now our main aim is to remove X and Y. So we have to remove this term now. So we already know, let theta be the angle of rotation, and let my angle of rotation is clockwise, sorry, anti-clockwise. Let my angle of rotation is so theta is be my angle of rotation, and the angle of rotation may be in the clockwise, that is, anti-clockwise. And let small x comma y be the original coordinate, and transform coordinate let it be as capital X comma y. Therefore, by the theorem number 3, x is equal to what? X is equal to how much? X is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, correct? And my small y is equal to x sin theta plus
Y
cos theta. So substitute this x and y value in the equation. For my equation, what is my
Sir, your voice.
x cos
Sir, your
x cos,
not clear.
hello. Hello.
yes, sir.
So I am substituting the values of x and y in the equation. That is a into x cos theta minus y sin theta whole square plus b into b is x sin theta plus y cos theta whole square plus 2h into x cos theta minus y sin theta into x sin theta plus y cos theta plus 2g into x cos theta minus y into plus 2f into x sin theta
Plus y cos theta. Plus y cos theta.
plus
Plus
y cos theta plus C is equal to 0.
0.
Okay, we have to simplify the entire equation. I'll take a different color so it will not get confused with the next step here. So I simplify the equation. This will become how much now? The entire equation will become now A into x square cos square theta plus y square sin square theta minus 2xy sin theta cos theta plus b into x square sin square theta plus b into y square cos square theta minus 2xy sin theta cos theta plus
Sir, minus or plus, sir?
sorry, this is plus
Plus, sir.
plus 2h into, we have to multiply x cos theta plus y sin theta, that we have to multiply. Look carefully, somewhere I'll write this one. So for us to understand. So this one is x cos theta, plus y sin theta. And x sin theta
Plus y cos theta.
this is
Sir,
supposed to
it is
be
minus y sin theta.
minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So first I multiply this one and this one, this one and this one. Then we go to the second term, that is 2h into, that is x square cos theta sin theta plus xy
Cos
cos, sorry, xy cos square theta minus xy sin square theta
minus y square sin
minus y square
sin cos theta.
minus y square cos theta sin theta. Sin theta. Now I'll erase this one just a minute. Plus
2g
2gx, 2
cos
into
theta.
g into x cos theta minus y sin theta plus 2 into f into x sin theta plus y cos theta. Please do write with along with me. Plus c is equal to 0. Now we again have to simplify the terms. Take all the constants inside. So this will become how much? That is, I have to take all the constants inside. This becomes, that will be ax square cos square theta plus ay square sin square theta. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Plus ax square cos square theta plus ay square sin square theta. Sorry, minus
Minus
2 minus
2axy
2axy sin theta
Cos theta.
cos theta.
Cos
With this plus now bx square, sorry,
Sin square theta.
bx square sin square theta plus by square cos square theta plus 2bxy sin
Sin
theta
theta cos theta.
cos theta plus,
2h square
now we
sin
have to multiply 2h into everything. 2hx square sin theta
sin theta cos theta
cos theta
minus
minus or plus
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 2xy
2xy cos square theta plus, sorry,
plus
now
minus 2hxy
no,
sin theta
minus 2h minus
xy
2
sin theta
xy
sin square
sin sin square theta minus 2hy square sin theta
cos theta
cos theta plus 2gx 2gx cos theta
Cos theta.
minus 2gy
Sin theta.
sin theta plus 2fx sin
Sin
theta
theta.
plus 2fy cos theta plus c is equal to 0. So now what you should do is listen carefully. Listen carefully now. Take all the x square terms together, all the y square terms together, all the x square terms together, all the y square terms together, all the 2xy terms together, all the what is called 2x terms together, 2y terms together. That is, first take all the x square terms together. See, x square 1 is here, x square 1 is there, here also x square is there, any other side x square is there, any other side x square is there, only 3x square are there.
Only 3x squares.
Then take all the y square together. Here also y square is there, here also y square is there, here also y square is there. Then, okay, take all the xy terms together. Take all the xy terms together. Now I am taking all the xy terms together. My xy terms, where is that? See, xy term is here. Okay, let us use some other color. Xy term, red is used already. We'll use black color. See, xy term is here. Xy term is here. Xy term is there. Xy term is here. Then anywhere xy term is there. Xy term is here. Xy term is here. Okay.
Bisa ya?
Hello, kindly mute your mic. Then single x terms. Single x term is here. Single x term is here. Then single y term is here. Single y term is here. Then plus c. So we have to categorize everything. So now whatever I have written in different colors, you take note and tell me now. What are there with x square? Tell me fast. With x square, what is there? With x square, what is there? X square.
ax
Cos square theta. Then what is there?
plus b sin square
B
theta
sin square theta.
sin square theta
b sin square theta plus what is
2h
there?
sin theta cos theta.
2h cos theta
Sin
sin
theta.
theta. This is with x square is there. Plus y square, what is there? Tell me with y square what all the things are there.
a sin square theta
A
Theta.
sin square theta
plus b cos square theta
plus
b cos square theta
b cos square theta
minus s sin theta cos theta
minus 2h cos theta
sin
sin
theta
theta. Okay. Now tell me what all things with xy is there.
minus 2a sin theta cos theta
No. Okay, sorry. Take the 2 also outside. 2xy. take the 2xy outside. So what all things with xy is there now?
minus a sin theta
Sin
cos
theta cos theta
Minus a sin theta cos theta.
plus h
plus
cos
H
square theta minus
cos square theta. Then
so plus b
minus h sin square theta will be
sin
there.
square theta.
Then
Sir,
plus
one more
sin
term
theta
is
cos
there,
theta.
sir.
pardon.
B sin theta cos theta left, sir. You didn't wrote that.
That's what I'm asking. I have got does I have a screen here? No. That's what I'm asking. One thing you are left out.
Yes,
plus
sir.
Yes,
Sin cos square
b
theta.
sin theta
Sin theta cos theta.
theta.
Anyone, please. When
B.
2-3 speaks, there will be a lot of disturbance. Anyone.
plus b sin theta cos theta.
Cos theta. Okay, next tell me what is with 2x.
X.
Look,
G cos theta.
g cos theta
F sin theta.
plus f sin theta. Now look at what is with y. 2y.
G sin theta. Minus G sin
Now,
theta.
look with the sign
Minus G
minus g sin theta
Sin theta
S F cos.
plus f cos theta.
plus c is equal to 0. So my equation when I use this transformation, if you look carefully, my equation has reduced it to this form. That is ax square. In the place of a, all these things are there. That is in the place of a. In the place of a, all these things is there. What is this? Is ax square. In the ax square. In place of a is there by square. 2h 2hxy 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So we in the beginning of the theorem itself we told that our main aim of this one is to eliminate xy term. So if I want to eliminate xy term, that means my entire this thing, whatever I am got all these things, let us say my entire this thing should be equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
Sir,
that is minus a sin theta cos theta plus h cos square theta minus h sin square theta plus b
Sin theta cos theta.
sin theta cos theta
Cos theta.
should be equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So what I will do is I will keep the h terms together. Those terms without h I will send this side. So h terms is here. So this is h cos square theta minus h sin square theta. It is here. Correct? No? So I send all these things this side. So it becomes this. If it comes this side, it becomes plus a sin theta cos theta plus not plus minus b sin theta cos theta. Correct? No?
Yes, sir. H common.
Cos theta. So I take h common here.
Yes, sir.
Common if I take
One,
cos
sir.
square theta minus sin square. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 1.
No, sir. No.
Then who told it is 1 is equal to?
Cos 2a.
This will be, I take sin theta cos theta, I'll take common. So what is left out is a minus b. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what I will do is Now I will multiply by 2 on both sides. I will multiply by 2 on both the sides. I will multiply by 2 on both the sides. So this will become 2h cos square theta minus sin square theta. What is the formula? The formula is cos 2 theta. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here 2 sin theta into cos theta. The formula is sin 2
Sin 2
theta.
theta.
Sin 2 theta.
A minus B. Yes,
So
sir.
I am sending this. Let us say I am sending this sin theta here. So 2h is there. So cos 2 theta. Sin theta, if it comes this side, it will become down. Sin 2 theta. Correct? No? Is equal to A minus B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So it will
Cot
become
theta, sir. 2 cot theta.
that is
Cot.
Tan
um,
inverse.
Cot,
So
sir.
we
Cot
can
2 theta.
we don't want cot here because I don't want a negative angle coming afterwards. What
So
I'll
we
do is
can
I'll send this cos this side. I send this cos towards my right hand side. So what I'll do, I don't want cot because the problem with cot is a reciprocal angle. So at the angle 0 is on the angle, the value will go for infinity. So I don't want that problem. So what I will do, I send the cos theta this side. So it becomes sin 2 theta by cos 2
Cos
theta.
2 theta.
So it becomes 2
2h tan 2 theta
tan 2
to A
theta
minus.
A minus B. So I keep this only, I keep theta here, I send this one this side, this becomes 2h by m is equal to tan 2 theta. Once you do like this, you have to write one condition. A should not be equal to B. Why? If A equals to B, what happens? The angle will become infinite. Angle
0.
will not get defined.
Yes.
0 one.
Yes, sir.
The angle will not get defined if
No.
A equals B. Mhm. Because the angle is not defined. So I'll write this one this side now. I'll take tan 2 theta. I'll write the same equation like this also. A minus B, where my angle A is not equal to B. I want only the what I will do. I'll take this 2 theta here. If I send tan this way, what happens? It will become tan
tan
inverse.
inverse.
That is 2h by A minus B, where my A is not equal to B condition. So I want only theta. I want the angle of rotation. I want to find the angle of rotation theta. Theta is equal to, if I send 2 this side, it becomes 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by A minus B. So this is the theorem. What is the theorem? If I want to eliminate the xy terms from the equation, I have to rotate the axis with an angle theta, and that my angle theta has to be rotated at 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by A minus B. Do you understand this theorem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the corollary of this theorem. No. Okay. Bigger equation. The equation is no. Let us say the equation is like
My
this.
voice is
Ground grind
Ax plus
అన్ని బాటి
kindly mute your mic. Students, kindly mute your mic. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let us say this is our equation. Now, here we can reduce this equation. I want to reduce this equation like this. My x should be equal to capital X. That means my new coordinates value should not get changed. My new coordinate value should be the same as the old coordinate. Sometimes they say with the rotation, the angle is what is called, let us say, the axes are rotated and the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 remains as it is. intact without any transformation, then the angle of rotation should be how much? So I can ask like that. That means sometimes what happens, the equation may be a linear equation itself. That time we are rotating the axis. That time the equation is not changing at all, even after rotation of the axis. We get the same equation itself. Okay, what we'll do is we'll get only like this: ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we are getting not getting any different. So that time, how we can reduce this equation to this form: x is equal to x or y is equal to y. That time, if you want to reduce like this, what is my angle of rotation? That time my angle of rotation should be tan inverse of, I want x is equal to x means b by a. Here if I want as y is equal to y means should be tan inverse of a by b. So since we'll be using these concepts for solving some of the MCQs. Now we'll come for general transformation. Did you understand about rotation of axis?
Yes, sir.
Theorems, both the theorems of axis.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll come for general transformation. So what is this general transformation? General transformation is first we'll do translation of axis. Let us say first this is my original axis x and y. First what I'll do, I'll translate the axis. I'll translate the axis to, let us say this is small x, small y. This I'll translate into capital X, capital Y. And after translating this axis, I will do rotation of axis. That is, I will do rotation of axis. That will become, this will become x dash, y dash, x double dash, y double dash. That means my process, first I am doing translation of axis, and afterwards, soon after this, I am doing rotation of axis. So like this transformation is called as general transformation. Sometimes what we can do the other way also. First we can do rotation of axis, then you can go for translation of axis. When since we are doing both the things, it is like commutative property. It's like A into B is equal to B into A, like commutative property. Either you can do rotation, then translation, or you can do translation, then rotation. Both the result is same. So this type of doing two transformations together, one after the other, like the transformation is called as a general transformation. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, my general transformation is commutative. General transformation is commutative. What is the meaning of commutative? Whether you do rotation or rotation and transformation, or whether you do transformation or rotation, both will not vary. Both are exactly same. Okay. Now we will see how this works. Let us say this is my small x axis. This is my small y axis. So I'm doing my translation. This is 0, O, 0, 0, my origin. I'm shifting it to a new place, capital X, capital Y, to an origin O dash, where my origin coordinates are x, comma. Now I have finished translation of axis. Now I'm doing transformation of rotation of axis. This axis is rotated with an with an angle theta. Let us say theta. This will become my x dash axis, and this will become my y dash axis. So this type of translation is called as general transformation. Here I am doing first translation, then I am going for rotation. Now, what happens when you do rotation first and do translation? So I am taking my axis here, x-axis, y-axis. I am rotating it. So this will become my x-axis, and this will become my y-axis. So now origin is shifted. Origin is shifted to somewhere new place. Let us say origin is shifted to somewhere new place. This will be my x dash axis. This will be my y dash axis. And my origin is shifted to O dash H comma K. So like this transformation is first doing rotation, then we are doing translation. Did you understand?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
For
sir.
this we'll learn the, now we'll learn the formula. Of course.
Yeah.
There are what is called as the old syllabus. Let us say the syllabus of 2013-14 batch. Of that batch, we had a lot of theorems on this one. The present, now the present from I think from 2014 batch afterwards, there is no theorems on this particular syllabus. Not much is dwelled upon. Actually, this general transformation axis itself had 3 to 4 theorems. So instead of since those theorems are not much taken after the 2014 batch onwards, so we'll go only for the important properties, important key points. Now let us say first my original coordinate is px comma y. This is changed to capital Px comma y, and my what is called as my axis is translated to a new point. My origin is shifted to, let us say, h comma k with angle theta. You already know, no? X is equal to how much? X is equal to
H plus K.
H plus
x
K, sir.
plus x,
X
and y is equal to k
K
plus
plus
y. And we know this one also. X is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y is equal to small y equal to x sin theta
Plus y cos theta.
plus y cos theta. Sorry, y cos theta, correct. So now what we are doing is we are combining these two and we are writing this one. My x will become here h plus x cos theta minus y sin theta. In the place of x, I am writing all these things. Understood? Y will become k plus new coordinate. What is my new coordinate? X sin theta plus y cos theta. Just
Sir.
combining the translation and we are combining the transformation writing. Yes.
What about the capital X and capital Y?
That's what. See, this capital X and capital Y are new coordinates. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So where the new coordinates was only one in a case of integral transformation. Are you understanding? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So those things were of individual things for when we are doing transformation or when we are doing translation or rotation. because of individual category. So we see it like this. Since we are having both translation and rotation, translation is what? With x you have to add h. I am adding h. The new coordinate is getting shifted to rotation. What is my new coordinate in rotation? My new coordinate in rotation is this one. So my new coordinate in rotation and value I am putting it here. So h plus my new coordinate rotation. So in the translation for y I have to add k. With k I am putting a new coordinate system in the rotation. See what I am doing? First I am doing translation. That means I am shifting the origin. After shifting the origin, this will go here and this will come here. So what I add as x here is becoming x here. What I am having y here is becoming y here. So if I want to take x and y means I should take the value of x and y in the rotation transformation. Are you understanding?
Sir, can you repeat one?
Can you repeat? Sir?
See, first I am doing translation, shifting the origin here. This is my x and y. Correct, no? So for this we used to easily write x is equal to h plus x, y is equal to k plus y. But I am not stopping it here. I am rotating this axis. That means this axis is coming from here to it is going here. That means this is no more, it is here. My x is no more here. My x is becoming here. So when I am rotating, this will become somewhere here. That means this is no more here. So if I want to take, since I am doing my, if I want to write the transformation equation, that is x plus x means, what is this x now? My means x is now, the x is of the rotation of the axis. In rotation of axis, what is my x value? My x value is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. Correct now? My new
Yes.
coordinate.
Yes, sir.
That's where I'll come here. This is of old transformation, but for the new transformation, this will go with the rotation because after shifting the origin, I'm not stopping there. I am also tilting my axis. I am also tilting or rotating my axis with an angle theta. Did I understand so much?
No,
This one
No.
is it clear? Now, students, are you getting clear?
No,
Okay.
sir.
I'll give you one example. Now, let us say you are going out for a movie. So, from home, you are going for a movie and you are coming back. This is with regard to translation is happening. So
yes,
now,
sir.
what you are doing is now you are going from home to movie, let's say some mall or some theater, etc. and so on. There you are watching a movie there. And you're not coming back. Rather, from movie, you're going for an restaurant and having a meal. So from home, you're going to movie. From movie, instead of coming back, you're from, let us say, you're gone to movie in some mall. And instead of going back home, you are going next floor and having a meal or a snack, let us say. That means if I want to return, your returning point to the home is with this point, not with this point. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to return to home is you have to return from the restaurant or a cafeteria where you are there, not from the, you're not returning from the movie hall or the movie theater. Same thing. This is my original axis. My original axis is shifted somewhere. I'm not stopping here. This shifting, I'm doing some rotation. So my reference to the new, my x and y will take the new coordinate where it will not take the new coordinate of this one, will take the new coordinate of this one. So only translation, what is happening? Translation x is equal to h plus x, and this value of x I am not getting from here. I am getting from here because my last point of reference is restaurant. My last point of reference is rotation. And here, when I connect that new coordinate, this one, it will become x cos theta minus y sin theta. First, y is equal to k plus the coordinate. For the coordinate, I am taking this rotation coordinate. Rotation coordinate for y, what happens? Y for y becomes x sin theta plus y cos theta. Is it clear now? Hello, students, is it clear now?
Yes.
So when we see movie, when we speak of movie, food and so on, you'll understand fast. If I speak of max, you're finding it difficult. Okay. There are few more theorems, not theorems. Corollaries, theorems I will not give. I'll give the corollaries. Some of the corollaries that we'll be using to solve the problem on general transformation. That I will be giving tomorrow. Please go through all the concepts and come. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start the problems on transformation of axis. Actually, one of the easiest topic for your JEE mains and advanced transformation of axis. If you understand, everything is simple. Only the work you have to put in effort is you have to learn the different equations, shifting of origin, rotation of theta values. For that, you have to spend 1 hour, 2 hours understanding the concept and learning the things. So we'll stop it here. Tomorrow we'll continue with the corollary and the problems. Please, tomorrow prepare for the class and come. First 10 minutes I'll be asking the theory concepts what we learned from past 3-4 days. And tomorrow onwards I'll be asking you to sub in the imposition if you are not doing it. So I have to take this step because there's no other go, because you are not studying the topics and coming. So you are forcing me to take some new steps. So we'll meet tomorrow. Kindly study and come. Don't force me to give imposition. Thank you.
So can you share the PDF?
Pardon?
The PDF of this lecture. Can you send to Chandrika?
Pardon? Hello? I didn't get what you said.
So you're asking that you can you send the PDF of this class to the group?
This is sorry, this I can't do it because everything I have done on the board, all the derivation, nothing I dictated. Everything I have written on the board. It's your duty to please copy it. Because every time if I sending PDF means you are not writing it. So this time I am very strong. I will not sending PDF. I have told several times when I am explaining theorem, please write along with me. So please don't take it in negative sense. This time I am very adamant and strong. I won't be sending any extra PDF notes. Because all the theorems, all the concepts I have written on the board explaining every step by step. So it's the duty of you students to copy it down. So in this way, literally I am not going to help you out in this concept. Because it's almost like spoon feeding. So that spoon feeding will never help out for a IIT student. So sorry, this part I can't oblige. Any other doubts and so on, I'll really clarify. If you ask me to explain once again, I'll explain. But please don't expect me to send these notes in the group. Because every time I am doing the theorem, I am telling you, today as I told you to write along with me the theorems and so on. So thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, students. Next, we have another class that is from, so please join 8 to 9 class. Right? Please join 8 to 9 class.